Zapic, social multiplayer game for any mobile game. Social multiplayer for any mobile game. Unique multiplayer features with the only cross-application social community to help you capture and retain users like never before. So if you're a game developer and you want to have your people track their top score, you can integrate with Zapic and report the top score up to Zapic. You would implement your game there. It's for indie game developers, and then, for instance, they can say, okay, for this game, what's the top score on nailed, right? So there. So this one you miss one and you're out. So this is called Nailed It. It's a different one. Okay, so let's see another challenge. So that's good. So they develop the local game and they report the top score. You don't have to have a server side to mess with while you are working on your game. So it's one way to have sort of like a top score logger. So
player tokens associated with
sorry, the Wi-Fi. Oh, all right, but this one's got a global competition set up, so it's like a global leaderboard. Can see players in a league or overall. This one has, this would be like the social challenges where I could go set it up just for my friends instead of any players.
Oh, so I could keep it private?
So these would be on the private side where.
Well, especially if you're testing, right? If you're trying it out,
yeah. Could be that, yeah. Or just you have a niche group of friends that you like to play a particular game or type of game with, yeah, have that as well. And then there's some other features that may not be just the multiplayer side, but this is just keeping track of some best stats that you might have in the game. We're working on adding an achievements piece, but the multiplayer social piece there is you can compare yourself with friends or someone in particular and see how you rank there. Friends list piece, pretty basic, but the thing to kind of note here is I get to see what other games my friends have been playing. So this is where cross-promotion between these games kind of comes in. And what is nice is I get a friend-based referral now for a different game where it's like, oh wow, I like what Alan plays. Oh cool, I haven't seen this game before. What's that? So that's another interesting.
But how about when does that change? Because there's only one there.
Based on when he
the last one he played.
The last one that he played.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have plans to try and add more where I could click on to view Alan's profile. I could see other games that he's played recently, maybe a library of games that he's played. So yeah, so there will be some pieces there. Yeah.
So, how long has this been in development?
Okay, let's.
I'm really bad at games, by the way.
All right, let's start on easy. So squatbot, you have essentially two options, right? Like you tap right and you jump right, and you tap left and you jump left.
Okay.
Right, you can jump further if you hold, or shorter if you don't.
Okay.
And you sort of build momentum as you jump, so you go faster.
Okay.
And that's all there is to it.
And
don't
then
fall in pits, don't get hit by spikes.
Okay.
And I recommend, I guess you have the camera, so it's...
I don't mind.
Typically
I'm just not very good at games anyway, so I don't mind not being good at games.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Most people play with two hands, so they use it like almost like a controller.
Okay.
Where they go left, right.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
You can use one if you'd like. Like I've seen it done. Like someone will do like
this.
that, but like it's a little bit trickier.
Oh, watch this. Okay.
Okay, I don't know the exact algorithms for that, or whether or not he's just doing something that's like completely brute force terrible and maybe fail.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's the integration there.
It's not just pick rooms and then go, like that's the third step. The second step is take the ground.
And then, how do I die? Oh, I die when he falls in the pit. Okay. And there's no timeout. Is there a time? Okay.
Once you beat the game, there's like a time trial that you can do where you like race people, and you can use that to like challenge your friends to speed runs. But yeah, and the mode we have you playing right now, you just sort of go through at your leisure.
Oh, good. That was good. Oh, okay. Thank you, Squatbot.